is Guang.
Oops, that is okay. I heard feedback. Yo, what's up? My name is Guang. I'm recording a video of myself in front of me. Oh my goodness, in front of me. This tutorial is not on YouTube, so I'm gonna record it on YouTube. And yeah, you'll thank me later. All right, so there's this underrated group called Badkiz, and they're still going on. They're still a group. Like 15 years, 14 years and counting. Yeah, but they keep changing members, that's well. Okay, so I'm gonna teach this way. Whoever wants to be my shot, go right ahead, I don't care. We're gonna be more like this, all right? Okay, so we're gonna start from walking. Yeah, so Nikki is right here. So we're gonna start walking. So we're gonna start with our left foot. So when you step with your left foot, you cross like this, and then you turn. So you step on your right other side, and then you turn, and then you go hot head. So you have the wrong side, Nikki. This side, yeah, this way. Hot head. Yeah, so that's like the beginning of it. All right. So review. So step left, step right and turn. Hot head. So this is where it gets a little okay. In a way. Okay. So I'm gonna do it G. So okay. So you go. So when you pop 1, 2, 3, 4. So chest, booty, chest, booty. Should I say hip? Should I say hip? Is that comfortable for you? If I say hip? Hip, okay. Hip it is. Alright, so chest, hip, chest, hip. So every time you hit, you go 1, 2, 1, 2. After that, you switch positions. So you go like this way, face this way. Same thing. Chest, hip, chest, hip. Any questions, Nikki? Okay. Let's review. All right. So, step left, step right, hot hair, chest, hip, other side, chest, hip, hip. All right. From here, you face this way again. You don't turn around like that though. Yeah, you just go like this. Yeah. Yeah. So look like you're, yep, it's okay. So it looks like you're, kind of looks like you're blowing a trumpet, but some of the members, they go like a I love you sign, like this. So they go, so what they do is, they go open, and then the I love you signs on both hands. So you go open, I love you, open, I love you. Yes, it's the I love you in sign language if you guys don't know. Okay, anyways, so with that, so when you open, I love you, and then you go, you kind of like lean forward like this. So it goes da 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 da, da 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 da. So it's, yeah, you do that twice. So open, I love you. Boom. Open. I love you. Yeah. And after that, put your hands on your hip, your waist, whatever. So you go. So you step a little bit. It's kind of like a little step. So you go out, like a little bit right here. Then you step a little bit with your left when you back. So you go boom, boom. So it's not like a big step. It's like a small step, like boom. Boom, and then you go down like this, and then you go hot head. Okay, and then it's almost done. It's not really that. It's not that much. Yeah. So let's go to review that for Nikki here. All right. So here we go again. So left, right, turn, hot head, chest. Hip, chest, hip, turn, chest, hip, turn, open, I love you, bend, open, love you, bend, Right small step, left small step, bend, hot head. And then you turn this way. When you turn this way, your feet are together. Okay. Anyways, so ready to move on, Nikki? Okay, so let's face the front. So because everything is from behind, so your feet is gonna go like this. It'll be easier to be on your toes a little bit. So you're pushing your heels, both heels to the right first. So you go one. So you go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Yeah, I was right. So yeah, right, left, left. So when you do right, left, right, you're bending down. Well, every time you go. So you go bend down, bend down, bend down. When you go left, you go up on your toes. So right, left, right, left. Yeah, so remember that pattern because you're gonna repeat that again. So you do that right, left, right, left. Right, hold on. Right, left. Okay, sorry, so it's, sorry. Let me try again, hold on. Okay. Right, left, right. Sorry. I did that wrong, sorry. It's right, left, right. Okay, sorry. Okay, after that, you're doing the same thing for your footwork. You put your hands like this. Boom. Yeah, and then you do the same thing for your footwork. Right, left, right. Yeah, I was right. Nikki's been helping me. Okay. All right. So let's review that and then move on. We're almost done. So you go hot head, turn around, right, left. Put your arms out. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Yeah, so right, left. So when you do your right again, so right, left. When you hit this right, that's where your hands goes out. I'm sorry. I had to review myself too. Okay, so right, left, hands out. Left, right. Wait. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so right, left, right. Left, right. And then put your hands on your hips like this. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry that this is confusing. Okay, let's go over that and then we'll move on. I'm sorry. I'm doing this a little bit quick. Okay, so hot head. Right, left. Open arms, left, right. Yeah, just like that. Good job, Nikki. Good job, you too. Good job. So, moving on, it's almost done. So your hip will go down first. No, your hip will still stay the same level. So you hit it right, left, and then when you hit it right again, it goes down. So right, left, right. Yeah, right, left, left. Sorry, right, left, right. Right, left, right. Yeah. So right, left is up. They hit down, then go down, right, then you hit up on your left. Then you do the same thing again. Right, left. Yes. And then you go, and then after that, like you're thinking like this. So this is where you go, so left foot, left toe, like this, and it will be bent, and you go, and you kind of roll your hip. So you'll 1, 2, 3. While you're kind of like thinking. 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna be this way. So 1, 2, 3. Then after that, you turn around and you go hot hair. Are you ready? That's it.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, that's it. You're
Whenever
funny.
you want to play the music.
You're funny. Yeah. All right, let's go over that second part before we hit music.
Oh, second.
Yeah, it's short. It's short. Okay, so from hot head, we're gonna go slowly. Right, left, arms out, left, right, open, right, left, right, left. Counterclockwise, turn around, hit like this. There you go. Are you ready? So when you do R, it's open arms like this, like you're about to hug someone, or give them a big slap like this, and then you do a crown, like half crown. All right. So we're gonna go all that without music, everything without music. All right, Nikki. Oh, do you have questions? Are you good? Okay. Just want to make sure. Okay, so, Nikki. Okay. Left. Right. Turn. Hot head. Chest. Hip. Turn around. Other way. Chest. Hip. Other way. Open hands. I love you sign. Bend down. Open hands. I love you sign. And down. Right, left, and down. Hot head. Right, left. Arms open on the right. Left, right. Hands on hips. Right, left. Swivel. Turn around. Hot head. Are you ready? There we go. That's it. So now, Elmer, play the song in like 50% speed, please. Are you sure? Don't lie. I'm just kidding. Yeah, 50%. Yeah, but I know, but I want them to get it. Pray for her. I'm just kidding. Yep. Okay. Step now. Step. Hot. Okay. 75% speed since yeah, you're right, it was kind of slow, but did you get it, Nikki? Don't lie. I'm kidding. It's a little weird when it's slow, but you'll hear the beat. Alright. You have questions? Are you good? Okay, just want to make sure. One, two, and go. Full speed, Nikki? I guess you want full speed. Do you want full speed? Okay. Don't get constipation if you eat it. Seriously, it hurts. Oh, I'm ready. I was waiting if Nikki was ready. Are you ready, Nikki? Okay. You can blame it on her. I'm just kidding. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, now. Yeah. Are you sure it's easy, Nikki? Not too bad? You're welcome. Yep, and that is it. Thank you, Nikki.
All
I'm sorry I don't know your
right.
name.
You're up for Guang, everyone. Oh, that was
I don't know
pretty
your name,
good.
I'm sorry.
You're such a good teacher.
Justice? Thank you, Justice. You know what? You deserve a hug. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
That was so fun.
Yeah, Nikki's team. You'll get it.